Hello and welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be guiding you with adding payment methods on Remitly through your PC. Adding a payment method is a crucial step to facilitate secure and convenient international money transfers. So let's begin. Start by opening any web browser on your desktop, type in remitly.com and press enter. In order to add a payment method, you are required to be logged in to your Remitly account. Once you're logged in, locate your first name at the top right of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings to access your Remitly account settings. Once the page is loaded, at the left-hand side you can see a bunch of options. Find the section labeled as Payment Methods. Click on it to access the Payment Method Management page. You can see that the section is empty since I haven't added anything, so click on the blue button that says Add New Payment Method. You'll be presented with a list of payment methods available on Remitly. This includes options like credit and debit card or bank account. For the card payment method, you're required to fill in your credit and debit card number, their expiration date, security code, your registered name, and a nickname. Your billing address is filled in automatically if you've already saved it. Now, for the bank account linking, click on the circle to select. Now select the payment type, your payment details such as routing number, account number, your registered name again, and your nickname. This is the registered billing address on Remitly, but you can also uncheck it to manually enter a different address. After entering the required information, double-check it to ensure the details are accurate. Finally, click the Save button beneath to add the payment details to your Remitly account. You can now use this payment method for your Remitly transactions. And that's how you add your payment method to your Remitly account through your PC. Hope this tutorial was useful. If you aren't already subscribed to our channel, please do make sure to hit that subscribe button for more amazing tutorials like this. We'll see you in the next video.